when people think of automotive sector, they think a lot about manufacturing and building a product, but where we really shine is in the research and development arena. That space is very technical, and it's driven by a lot of regulations, whether it's air emittance, or whether it's miles per gallon, or whether it's safety. All the suppliers need to spend a lot of resources on researching and developing the product ahead of time. And that's where we really come in, our expertise on knowing these spaces and designing these spaces to accommodate this testing and development. So we are very knowledgeable on things like dynamometers and labs and all the testing that goes into a vehicle, and there's a lot of environmental regulations that drive this testing today. Well, a few challenges that come to mind are just the international or global competition. It really drives very competitive fees in our sector, so we really have to be very efficient on how we do work to compete globally. Probably the other biggest challenge is the automotive sector tends to lean towards design-build projects. They need to move at a much more rapid pace, so they need the drawings done quicker and they need the packages out quicker to meet the milestones that it takes to build a car. Well, I think one of the biggest values IMEG brings to our customers is just our wealth and diversity of talent. It really creates a one-stop shop for our customers instead of dividing up the project into a number of contracts. You know, we have everything from mechanical, electrical, structural, civil, acoustics, architectural lighting, building technology, security, and it really makes it a lot easier to work with us. The other big advantage of IMEG is our national presence. You know, with as many offices that we have, it really helps for clients that are expanding across the country or customers that might, you know, have multiple locations that needs us a little closer to their offices. Well, my career really started with the innovation of computer-aided design, or CAD. That was my first springboard into the automotive sector and laying out assembly lines and things like that for the automotive industry. And from there, it just propelled into working to design assembly lines and being part of a very innovative product that when you see all the pieces come together and you see a fully built car, it was quite exciting. One other nice thing was my family history. My grandfather started in the assembly line, my dad worked on programming and ordering cars, and my two brothers are still working for the automotive industry, so it's been a nice family history in the automotive sector.